Hey guys, it's Jill down at Redwater Dodge with the $10 oil change, brake ready Rams, and now we buy our Rams. I'm here to show you this 2020 Grand Caravan GT, so let's take a peek. You do have your 3.6 liter V6 engine. You have some blacked out headlights, you got fog lights as well. Also some blacked out rims, which is really nice. These are going to be automatic doors. We'll come all the way back here. You do have a backup camera and a little hitch receiver in this one, but we're going to go check out the inside and then we'll finish up. See in the back here, you do still have lots of storage if you want your seats up, and of course if those fold down, that'll just add to your storage. But here's a little button to close it, and leather seats. These are heated, as well as a heated steering wheel. You do have a little touch screen right here. Lots of storage all throughout this van, which we're going to see when we get to the back seats. You also have a little sunglasses holder, and of course all the buttons for the doors and whatnot right here. We're going to check out the back seat, and then we're done. The second and third row, these of course all will stow and go. You do have a DVD player right here, and they have their own climate control as well. These are leather, and this is the little button to close the door. But if you want more pictures of this van, pricing, all that good stuff, you can click the link below or give us a call, 780-942-3629.